Hey, this is the last part of our unit number 7, and in this session we are going to discuss the question answers given in the back exercise of our poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree. Remember that humorous poem? So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Why was Dad sure he would not fall? Well, Dad was sure because he thought that he was a climber and climbing a tree just a child's play. Question number 2. Which phrase in the poem expresses Dad's self-confidence best? So the phrase in the poem is child's play this is. Now he is considering climbing the tree with a child's play. So this was the self-confidence he had in. Question number 3. Describe plan A and its consequences. So the first plan or plan A was to bring a ladder and climb the tree, bring the cat down. But what happened? The ladder slipped and the dad landed in the flower bed. Question number 4. Plan C was a success. What went wrong then? Yes, plan C was successful. He successfully jumped on the tree and landed flat right on the cat, due to which the cat gave a yell and sprang on the ground. But what went wrong? That Dad got stuck on the tree. Question number 5. The cat was very happy to be on the ground. Pick out the phrase used to express this idea. We have discussed that in the poem also. The phrase was pleased as Punch, which means very happy. Question number 6. Describe the cat and dad situation in the beginning and at the end of the poem. So in the beginning, the cat was stuck on the tree and dad was trying to rescue the cat. But at the end, the cat sprang on the ground while dad stuck on the tree. Question number 7. Why and when did dad say each of the following? The first is fall. So dad said fall when mom warned him about fall while climbing the tree. The second is never mind. Dad said never mind when he fell down for the first time from the ladder. He said this just to pretend that everything is okay and he is alright. The third is funny joke. So dad said funny joke when mom warned him of falling again. He said so because he was very overconfident of his success in the plan B. And the last part is rubbish. He said rubbish when mom asked him to stop, else he will break his neck. But dad has a plan C in his mind. Question number 8. Do you find the poem humorous? Yes, the poem is humorous. It draws a funny situation between dad and the cat which was to be rescued. Moreover, dad's overconfidence in climbing the tree adds more humor to the whole situation. Also, his dialogues were very funny and entertaining. This was our unit number 7. I hope you enjoyed the videos. See you very soon in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye and keep watching.